Hi there, how good are you on the phone? In fact, how well are you using the phone? Or even better, how well and how systematic are you and the people you work with using the phone to get through this coronavirus lockdown period and on the other side of it? What we've seen time and time again is that people are very, very weak, or even worse, have a complete fear of using the phone to generate business. They've got no systems, no training, no structure, no management systems, yet it's the very key to getting your business from where it is now to where you want to get it to. It's all about the phone. Now, of course, it's about social media and lead generation as well. But once you've got a lead, at some point, someone needs to actually have a conversation, a structured conversation. Now, we've got a system we call the R factor, relationship factor, radiating to the marketplace to get results. Frequency times quality of contact. How often are you making contact? And then what is the quality of the conversation? Now, literally I was on the phone yesterday to some people who said, what we've got is we've actually put a system in place to make more phone calls, to double the number of phone calls. Then it's a question of when you have the phone call, what's your structure for doing it? We've put systems in place for real estate companies, developers, apartment. Invariably, even highly experienced people are having what I would call crap phone conversations, really poor quality phone conversations. So want to find out more? Come and join us. We've got a whole system to help you and people increase frequency, manage the quality of the call, and at the same time help you get way better results. The phone, that is the key, and in most cases people use it badly. In fact, they say 93% of business is done over the phone, yet almost no one does constructive training to actually help you grow your business. So if you're a director of a business, ask your chief executive, ask the managing director, where is our system for improving frequency times quality of contact on the phone? And then you want some help? Touch base with us. Click the link below. See you soon. Ring, 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 ring. Dialing for dollars.